Are you ready to grow your TikTok followers and start making real money faster than ever thought possible? In this video, I'll be sharing the real secrets that will help you grow your TikTok followers, get organic views, and turn your TikTok into a money-making machine. I know this because I am already monetized on my international TikTok account and I am earning from the comfort of my home with just my phone. That is enough reason for you to watch this video to the end. Also because everything I'm about to share with you, they are 100% from my own journey, and trust me, if you follow the steps, it will work for you too. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. My name is Jovita Ume, and before we proceed, these are the requirements for TikTok monetization. First, you must be 18 years and above. Secondly, you must have at least 10,000 followers in your international TikTok account. Thirdly, you must have at least 100k views within 30 days. This is mine, all checked, within 3 weeks. From this to this. So guys, for you to start making money on TikTok, you need to start creating and uploading catchy and valuable content. And the video should not be less than 1 minute. If you upload videos that are 10 to 59 seconds, it will just be there and be giving you views. But TikTok won't pay you for that video because it's less than 1 minute. Now, this is where the trick comes in. For you to grow your TikTok followers faster, like grow from 0 to 10,000 followers, you can be uploading short videos from 10 to 50 seconds, no problem. TikTok will push it out for you to go viral because sometimes short videos like 30 seconds that is valuable and catchy goes viral faster. So for you to grow on your international TikTok account, go ahead and be posting any length. It will help you get your 100k views within 30 days faster. But when you monetize your page, you have to start uploading videos from 1 minute and above for TikTok to pay you. The short ones can be for you to reach your 100k views faster. But TikTok won't pay you for that unless it's 1 minute and above. You need to be very creative for you to start earning on TikTok. That is why it is called Creators Reward Program. If you're not creative, do not worry, we now have ChatGPT. This is what the app looks like. Download it on your phone and make it your best friend because it will help you grow and earn faster on TikTok. All you need to do is to sign up and start asking ChatGPT anything. Mind you, you have to be posting every day. If you don't know what to post, download the app, get book and pen. Now think of what you know how to do best. It can be cooking, farming, sewing, barbing, anything. Skincare, wig making, lash tech, even all these tech courses running everywhere. Video editing, digital marketing, anything at all. Playing with your baby, cleaning your house, going out, going to the market, all of this, everything is content. So choose anyone you are very good at and start teaching people how to do one or two from that thing. It can be how I styled my hair, how I barb my hair, how I made noodles with chicken, how I did this, how to do this or that. Just give out value, no matter how little. And trust me, people will start rushing you and following you for more. I'm not saying you should share everything, no. Like, just use your head. Just start small with the basics. You might be there thinking that everyone knows it all, but trust me, not everyone knows about that stuff you are sharing. So for people that have skill or maybe people that have something to talk about but don't know how to go about it, this is where ChatGPT comes in. You can start by interacting with ChatGPT, asking ChatGPT questions like, ChatGPT, I want to create an international TikTok account and I want to be sharing how I live my life or how to do this or that. Please help me with a catchy bio, help me with a catchy username, help me with a catchy profile picture. Trust me, it works like magic. As you are asking, it is answering you ASAP. For you to start uploading, ask ChatGPT, what can I upload? What can I post to attract people to my page and cause traffic? ChatGPT will solve it for you straight up. Like, ChatGPT, I'm supposed to be posting every day. I don't know what to upload in my next post. Please give me a prompt on anything you feel might make my post on cooking go viral. Within 1 minute, it will bring out a prompt for you. All you need to do is to get your pen and paper and write it out. Now be creative. Do not copy everything. Write out the important details and use it to create a short video for your next upload. You can use voiceover or anything you feel like using. Just make sure you are giving out value. Make sure your viewers are learning one or two from whatever it is that you are uploading. Also ask ChatGPT for a catchy and energetic intro. They call it clickbait. You can check my videos. I used it in most of my videos and it worked for me. ChatGPT will give you everything you need. So please stop giving excuse of not knowing what to upload or what to post on your international TikTok account. Download ChatGPT now and start using it. It is Secondly, I want you to know that TikTok is an SEO, that's search engine optimization. This simply means that TikTok can be used to search for anything at all, just like YouTube and Google. So whenever you are creating your video, Try and create it in such a way that TikTok can help you categorize it. For example, whenever you want to upload or post your video, make sure that your caption covers what your video is all about. It will help TikTok push it out for you to go viral. Thirdly, please always use hashtag on your videos before uploading. Make use of trendy hashtags and use hashtag that relates to your video. For example, if you're a fashion designer, after uploading, when you want to write your caption, after writing your caption, you can start with hashtag fashion designer, hashtag designers of TikTok, hashtag how to make a dress, and so on. Then generally for everybody, no matter what your video is all about, you can add these hashtags after adding the one that relates to your video. For example, for you or FYP, explore, creator search insights. These ones are just additional after adding what your video is all about or your personal brand or page hashtag. Next tip, make sure to always turn on high quality upload before posting your video. This is it here. Make sure to always turn it on like this before uploading your videos. It makes your videos clearer and catchy for your audience. You can be posting 4 times a day or more with nice and catchy captions. Also, engage on people's posts, please. It sends signal to TikTok that you are human. But please do not overdo it. Another thing, drop catchy comments under people's posts, especially all these influencers. Drop catchy and interactive comments that will make people want to check out your profile and follow you. Also, use sounds while it's still trending. Any sound that passed 3 weeks or 2 weeks, don't use it again. Check out for trending songs and views. It worked for me. Also, before you start creating, try and clean your camera lens. Use a good light and a good and clear phone camera while recording. If you don't have lights, always shoot during the day. Another tip that worked for me, whenever you're uploading on TikTok, please watch this. After editing and clicking next like this, it will take you to this phase. After typing in your caption and hashtags, you can use this @ to mention any big influencer under your niche. For example, if I am creating content about cooking, I can mention Hilda Basi or any big chef. Here, make sure to select everyone. Then, under more options, make sure these 2 things are turned on. Turn on allow high quality upload. Do not turn this audience control on, please. Now, when you click post, it will automatically go under friends. Switch to home by clicking on this home close to it. Then up here, it will be under following. Quickly switch to for you. There, by clicking on this for you, that's more like switching from the following to the for you or explore. Please quickly do it as your video is uploading. If you switch to for you or explore, start watching the videos under there. Watch, like, repost and comment on the first video. Then quickly scroll down to the second video. Watch, like, repost and comment too. Keep scrolling and doing it. As you're doing this, by the time your video is done uploading, it will automatically appear on that for you page. This will also help make your video go viral. Only if it's a valuable and engaging content, TikTok will help push out the video. It has been working for me till now. This is why I am sharing this secret with you guys. Another important tip to note is time frame. The best time to post at night is around 7:45 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yours might differ, but this time has been working for me 100%. Best time to upload in the morning is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. for starters. For starters, it's advised to post 3 to 5 times a day or more. Post consistently for 30 days non-stop. So when I was still growing, the exact time I post. First, I post 11 a.m. for morning. I post 5 or 6 p.m. at evening, and then 8 to 9 p.m. at night. That's like 3 times a day. I did this for straight 30 days, and even before the 10th day, I hit my 100k views. I am not capping, it is real, man. So after hitting the 100k views, I reduced it to posting 2 times a day. Then after hitting my 10k followers, I reduced it to posting once a day. That's 11 a.m. every day. Some people reach their requirements within 1 to 2 weeks, so it all depends. If we can do it, you can do it too, with smart work and consistency. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. is also very good in case you want to be posting only at night. This is because by that time, those that went to work must have returned back from work, lying on their beds and scrolling through their phones, watching videos, or entertaining themselves before sleep comes. Next, try and be joining live streams of influencers and popular TikTokers. Try and engage with other TikTokers, like after posting and doing everything I said you should do. Check here, click on the live, scroll and check the live that has more engagement. This very one I'm about to say is for people that have money. You can give to those influencers to tag and put you on their top list so that people watching that live can follow you up and start engaging on your post. I did not gift anybody because I didn't have the money as of then. But if you have the money, you can try and gift. It's not compulsory, please. It's just an additional tip. The truth is that if you apply all the tips I'm sharing in this video without giving out a valuable content, like an engaging content, showing people how to do this or that, it might not work for you. That's just the simple truth, especially if you are not consistent. Also, focus on turning your viewers into followers. Towards the end of your videos, tell them to click on the plus button and follow you. So here is another tip that gave me massive followers that got me to PK. While sharing your engaging and valuable content, whenever it gets to the most important parts, tell them to follow this page and check back tomorrow for part 2 of the content, or for the continuation of that valuable information you are giving them. Trust me, they will not want to miss it, so they will definitely follow you. It's worked for me 100%. I cut my videos part by part. Towards the end, I tell them to please follow this page, share this video, and check back tomorrow for the continuation of that tutorial video. This gave me massive followers, and it worked for me because I was sharing valuable and engaging content. I was teaching them how to do this or that for free. Who doesn't like free things? That's why they were rushing and following. When it comes to niche, like I said earlier, choose what you know how to do best so that it won't stress you whenever you are creating content. I'm a fashion designer / tutor. I'm also a makeup artist. So I was teaching them basic sewing and co, like how to sew, how to do this and that. Another tip is to share your videos to your followers to watch immediately after uploading. But please do not do it too much. After uploading, you can share it to your followers or on your WhatsApp status, telling them to engage, like please like, comment, repost and share. You can even use your local accounts to be reposting your videos and commenting whenever you upload new video. This will help your old followers see the video and also engage. But use a different phone to do this to avoid TikTok strike. Also use your friends and family's phones to repost and share your videos. Always share to them to help you engage. As they are engaging, TikTok is pushing out your videos. Don't forget to post back to back every day, please. Consistency and hard work remains the key. In case you don't know how to create an international TikTok account without VPN, check out the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen to watch it now. Or later, you check the description box and watch it. Watch it, open yours and start creating valuable and engaging content back to back. This was all I did to grow my TikTok followers from 0 to 30k followers that I have now. I have over 2 million views now, and I got here with hard work and consistency. Next, I will share how to verify your account and set up your payment method when you reach your requirement. I will also share the best app you can use to withdraw your money. No need to look for foreign accounts or foreign number. I will share everything in our next class. I will also share how to create or start up a YouTube channel so that you can start earning on YouTube too. I must carry you guys along. Click on this picture to subscribe now. Please like this video, comment and share. Also, subscribe and on the notification bell, as this will tremendously help grow my YouTube channel. This will help YouTube push out my video to many people. Thanks so much for watching till now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.